In this video, we will show you how to replace your knock sensor on this Ford Ranger with a 2.3-liter engine. This will be mounted along the driver's side of your engine. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Locate your knock sensor. If you were to look down along the driver's side of your engine, just below your plastic intake, that's where you're going to find the knock sensor. The wiring harness is pretty much right out in the open right here along the bottom front of your plastic intake. Use a small prying device to separate this from the intake. After that, squeeze on the locking tab and separate the electrical connector. A quick inspection for corrosion and set it aside. That looks good. At this point, we'll follow this wiring harness down along the engine, and that'll lead us right to where that knock sensor is located. We'll follow this wiring harness down. Now looking down along the engine there, I can see a 10mm headed bolt, and I can see that knock sensor. Looking at it, I can see that the wiring goes up forward at an angle. When we go to reinstall the knock sensor, make sure you have it in this orientation. Use a 10mm, remove the bolt, and remove the knock sensor from the vehicle. Take hold of the knock sensor and the mounting bolt and remove them from the vehicle. And there it is, friend. Now, when you go to install the bolt, you need to make sure that you start it in by hand and snug it up with a hand tool, never with an impact tool. After that, we'll torque it to 177 inch-pounds. Now it's time for our electrical connector. Go ahead and squeeze those two ends together. Listen for a click. We'll give those a tug to make sure they're completely secured together. After that, you want to make sure that you do secure this to the bottom corner of that intake. Slide it into position. If it doesn't lock in, you could use a wire tie if needed. Okay, friends, we've got our knock sensor installed on the vehicle. At this point, you want to go ahead and start up the vehicle. Let it run for a little while, make sure there's no running condition, no check engine light. After that, go ahead and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.